Hey, this will be a chart on BZCN, Biz Auctions Incorporated. Before you go and freaking out and saying, hey, that's not what the chart looks like, this is the 60-minute view that I have pulled up. And real quick, what that means is each one of these bars here, or candlesticks, is 60 minutes worth of price action. And the reason I'm going to do it from this perspective is kind of twofold. If we go to the daily chart, well, first, just I think it'll be a little easier to explain, supports, resistances, and so forth. And the other reason, we had somebody do a fat finger trade today, so that really screwed up the daily chart. And what all a fat finger trade means is that somebody made a mistake and put in an order up here, and that's why it went up there. But the price did not go up there that high today. That was just a mistake, and as you can see, it really just scrunched up the chart. So for that reason too, I'm just going to stick on the 60-minute chart today. So real quick, the one thing that I really like about this chart and what was good to see was we had this pullback here, and I know some people were giving up on it during this pullback here, and the thing that the odds were against it because this pullback happened on pretty big volume, and it was one of those things where okay, is this finally over? Are the bears going to regain control of things? And as you can see, it settled down right around here at this red line here, which was the 20-day, or excuse me, 20 period simple moving average. And this was kind of test of manhood right here. Could the chart hold? And you can see what happened. The chart maintained above it, and then right here was still sitting right at it. So this was hovering right around it, and then we finally got this separation day, and you can see on the separation day had nice volume with that. And then today and on Friday made a real nice move. So very nice comeback from this pullback here, which was pretty rough. But the chart proved to be strong, and this move that it's been having proved to have genuine strength behind it, as you can see with the price the way it took off. So now the question really becomes, supports, resistances, and so forth. Well, the newest support that was put in and has been doing a great job of holding is simply this previous high right here. This level is at 0.0041. So let me change that to green, and as can be seen, you look here, the lowest the price has gone in a while has been 0.0043 at these two locations. So this support hasn't even been tested yet, which is pretty impressive. There's this tight little range up here now that the price is trading in between. But right now, it's good to see that this level has not even been tested. Now, a more important support level that I'm looking at here is more so this level right here at 0.0035. You can see we had some price history right there. We had a high, and then we had it where the price closed right at it. So this 0.0035 has a pretty big history here within the chart. So what I'm going to do is make this line a little thicker, make it green just to represent that this is more of an important support level. But at the end of the day, the support level that we really want to see hold, as past history has shown, is simply this red line here, which is the 20-day simple moving average. As I pointed out, held as support here to bounce it off, then held as support here once again to bounce the price off. So technically, for the time being, you can see that this moving average is below this level. So the price could come below this one and still hold. But the one thing to keep in mind is that this is a dynamic support level, meaning that as time increases, this line is going to keep moving up. So eventually, within the next 2 to 3 days, this line here will be above our static support level at this point. So yes, right now it is below, but this line definitely is not stationary. It's going to keep moving upwards each and every day. The other thing that I like on the 60-minute is how we're starting to get the 200 period beginning to curl up. That's no easy feat to do. It's taken a lot of periods into the calculation with 200 of them. So for that to begin to creep upwards, that's always a good sign. And then obviously we have the 50 period already with a nice slope to it. So the overall context of the chart right now is definitely bullish. And for the time being, it's just becoming more and more bullish with the way the 200 period is starting to curl up. So good, looking good on those accounts. Now in terms of resistance levels, that's pretty easy right now. We kind of have a little battleground or fortress, I should say, that belongs to the bears right now. Up here at 0.0049, you can see the bulls have attempted to get through it twice, and the bears have dug in and held it so far. So this is the key immediate term resistance level. And then after that, it's pretty much that blue skies, breakout still in play. But one step at a time, and if need be, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart again. But overall, chart's looking good. 60-minute, great job from this pullback to go to new highs. And now it's just a matter of seeing if it can get through this 0.049 level and making sure these support levels hold on any sort of pullbacks. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you, if you have not already, to go to bullwarriorstocks.com, and if you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook which has been getting good reviews, and with your subscription you'll get chart setups, educational pieces, trade ideas, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and best part is it's all free. We've been making some good money together, so it's worth at least giving a try. Once more, this was BZCN. Thanks for listening.